Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy SpaceX stock on SoFi Invest. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official SoFi website right here, SoFi.com, if you have not already. If you're using it on your mobile phone, you can just open up the App Store, search for the application and download it. So once you've installed it, open it up, this is going to be the home page. From this main page we can get started. It doesn't matter if you're on your PC or mobile, the process is going to go the same. The first thing you need to do is go and log into your account. So here in the upper right corner, if you do not already have an account, you can click trade now or log in to go ahead and create an account. So once you've gotten your account ready, you can go and log in. After logging in, this is going to be the home page from where we can get started, and here you're going to go and be able to see all the products and investment accounts you're going to have and the investment options. And here we are going to have the stock trading that you can go and click on. You can also go ahead and take a look at the futures and so on, and with that one investing platform you can quickly start trading stocks. Currently SpaceX is not public, so it is not open to public investors. It is in the private round, open only to private investors, and you cannot currently get into it. So once it goes live as an IPO sometime in the future, hopefully you are going to go and be able to get into it. So that you just need to go and log into your account and access the investment options right here. You're going to go ahead and be able to search for SpaceX and get started trading directly from SoFi Invest. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.